Okay, we're good to go. We have consensus that this is good to move forward and deploy. Without getting too far into branching and release strategies, the developer, because they were a little bit not confident in their code change, made a pull request on the repository in question. This means they made a proposed set of changes to an existing code base that someone has to approve. And so in this meeting, someone presses the approve button, and because we are following CI practices, this kicks off a new CI pipeline, which gets notated inside of our DevOps channel that the lead, Jim in this case, merged the pull request into the main code base, which then kicks off the pipeline, which is going to run all of my checks, my static code analysis, going to run my unit integration test. It's going to then run the build, but now, because we're on the main code base, it's going to take that work and deploy it out to the development environment. So we wait for the application to be deployed. So it's now running in this development environment, which is a centralized location that the team uses to come in and automatically and verify their work. So usually the first step of a deployment, especially when you've done something big and new, is to smoke test it. That's to just repeat the steps you did locally to verify your work. Just do that in the actual environment. And so Dev2 in this case brings up the application's Swagger definition page and goes through and invokes the endpoints for price and for stock and images and shows that they're actually working. Okay, that actually works. What's next? Well, because we have a QE, we actually have a regression testing suite. And what this regression testing suite does is it emulates the behavior of the end user as they work through the system. This behavior, of course, includes getting images, getting products, and getting in-stock information. And so we also have a pipeline for running our regression testing suite in our dev environment. And so we kick off that suite, which refreshes the data in our environment, executes the test, reports on them, and then returns the environment back to where it is. And if this passes, we know that our change is good to go and good to be moved into other environments.